Okay, we're back again. Alright, so here it is, the combi. I'm guessing this is the lock and this is the bridge that talks to the Wi-Fi, little Wi-Fi signal on it there. Okay. Right, here is the bridge. Let's zoom down a bit. Zoom down here. Closer look. Okay, so it comes with this Euro thing, which is that's not a great idea. Not over the top about that, but anyway, because I'm in Ireland and we use UK and Irish plugins. This is a Dutch kind of a plugin, or probably French, I'm not too sure. That seems to be it. A lot of effort put into the display there. I suppose it's a bit like Apple style. This is sealed. Why? I don't know. Just leave that there. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Just kind of a book and stuff. Yeah. This is funny. Like, you can see a little bit of wear there in that. It's weird, wherever it was made. There's a bit of wear there already, like as if it was on a unit, like as if it was second hand. And there as well. See there? And this is straight out of a box. It's kind of a green thing, bit of dirt on that as well. It's definitely not Apple standard manufacturing, I suppose. Pops that way. Oh, the batteries are in there. That's unusual as well. Packed with the batteries. It's got the Duracell batteries in there. Never seen that before. That's interesting. I better put them back in, I'm guessing. I think that goes like that. So, yeah, there we go. Interesting. Anyway, that's that. And here are the brackets. Two brackets. One with a kind of a sticky back on it. I think that's just to stick it on if you want. And then this one is the one. It's got little screws on it there. See, little screws that go in here. And this one just sticks on. It's got a sticky backing. So whichever one you want to use, whichever one's compatible. Right, okay. Well, that's it for now.